Today I'm gonna teach you how to vacuum your house the right way. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. This is called having dogs, and this is why you need carpet powder. When you don't feel like you want a whole bunch, just use the spoon for a more controlled pour. And if you want to rub it in a little bit, that is fine too. All of our fragrances and products are non-toxic and skin safe. Not only does my house smell absolutely incredible, it is also deodorized at the molecular level too. Now that is how you clean.